Hi, I'm Nikki Cleine, Rehabilitationist with the Southern Cochlear Implant Program, or SCIP. Today on Did You Know, we're talking about how to explain your CI experience to friends, family and workmates. Getting a CI is most often a wonderful yet overwhelming experience. Trying to explain what you're going through to your friends, family and workmates can be overwhelming as well. Here are some tips for things that you can say when you feel a bit lost for words. So when it comes to explaining the actual process, the surgery and switch on, etc., trying to keep it as simple as possible. You can try something like this. I'm having a cochlear implant to help me hear better. This means I'll have a surgical implant in my inner ear and I'll wear a speech processor, kind of like a hearing aid, on the outside. I won't be able to hear straight away. I won't be activated until about a week after the surgery, and then the learning bit starts. Okay, so that explanation is a little bit wordy, but it's probably about as simple as it gets. At the beginning of your CI journey, people may assume that your hearing has been magically fixed, or that you can hear just like a hearing person straight away. You can try saying something like this. My brain is still adjusting to the sound around me. I can hear lots of things, but I can't yet understand everything. Please still get my attention before you start speaking and try to talk directly to me. Or, I am still learning to hear sounds and voices with this new device. Sometimes I hear you well, but sometimes my brain is overwhelmed and I find it really hard to hear you. Please be patient with me. Further down the track, some people may assume that because you have mini computers for ears, that hearing is easy for you or that you hear exactly the same as a hearing person. You can try saying something like this. My cochlear implant really helps me, but sometimes I still find it hard to hear you when I'm doing something else or I can't see you. Please remember that it helps both of us if you get my attention before you start speaking and then speak as clearly as possible. Remember, the more you advocate for yourself when you're explaining your CI, the better it is for the whole deaf and hard of hearing community, because not only are you raising awareness about cochlear implants, you're raising awareness about hearing loss as well. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to add any tips that you may have used in the comments below.